Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best RC helicopters of 2026, whether you're a beginner, hobbyist, or serious RC pilot, you're in the right place. Today I've selected the top 5 best RC helicopters based on performance, stability, build quality, features, and value for money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. So let's jump right in. Number 1. C189 Remote Control Helicopter, Brushless 6-channel, red. The C189 RC helicopter is a 1:28 scale, 6-channel helicopter powered by a brushless motor. It features fly-barless design, optical flow localization, and comes ready to fly with 2 batteries included. This helicopter delivers smooth, realistic flight performance thanks to its fly-barless system and optical flow positioning. The brushless motor provides strong power while keeping vibration low, making it ideal for both beginners and intermediate pilots. Pros: powerful brushless motor, optical flow positioning for stable hovering, fly-barless design for realistic control, 2 batteries included. Great beginner-friendly stability. Cons: limited advanced aerobatics. Plastic body could be stronger. If you want a stable, easy-to-fly RC helicopter with modern features, the C189 is an excellent choice for beginners and casual flyers. Number 2. C189 MD500 RC helicopter, 4-channel scale model, camouflage. This MD500 style RC helicopter features a 1:28 scale, 4-channel control, brushless motor, and 6-axis gyro stabilization. It's designed mainly for adult hobbyists. The MD500 stands out with its realistic military-style design and smooth flight characteristics. The 6-axis gyro keeps it stable, making it great for outdoor flying and scale helicopter fans. Pros: realistic MD500 scale design, brushless motor for better efficiency, 6-axis gyro for smooth flight, beginner-friendly controls, 2 batteries included. Cons: only 4-channel, limited maneuverability, not ideal for aggressive aerobatics. If realism and stability matter most, the C189 MD500 is perfect for scale helicopter lovers and relaxed flying sessions. Number 3. EC135 C187 RC helicopter, optical flow positioning. The EC135 C187 features single rotor design, optical flow positioning, 6-axis gyroscope, and altitude hold support. It's designed for beginners and adults. This helicopter shines in easy control and stability. Optical flow positioning helps maintain position, while altitude hold allows smooth hovering, great for learning flight basics. Pros: optical flow positioning, altitude hold for steady hovering, smooth and quiet flight, beginner-friendly design. Cons: limited flight speed, less powerful than brushless competitors. The EC135 C187 is an excellent training helicopter, ideal for new pilots who want confidence and control without stress. Number 4. CKYSCH UH60L Blackhawk, or WLtoys K170 brushless 4-channel. This UH60L Blackhawk RC helicopter features a brushless motor, 4-channel control, 6-axis gyro, and comes with 3 batteries for longer flight time. With its military Blackhawk design, this helicopter offers strong lift, responsive controls, and impressive stability. The brushless motor gives it plenty of power, making it suitable for outdoor flying. Pros: strong brushless motor, 6-axis gyro for stability, realistic Blackhawk design, 3 batteries included. Cons: slightly heavier than others, not beginner-friendly indoors. This helicopter is perfect for outdoor flying enthusiasts who want power, durability, and a military-style look. Number 5. FLYWING Bell 412 RC helicopter, GPS 6-channel, premium pick. This is a premium 6-channel 470 size scale helicopter with GPS, altitude hold, ACE flight controller, and 4-rotor scale design. This is a professional-grade RC helicopter designed for experienced pilots. GPS positioning, advanced flight control, and realistic scale design deliver outstanding performance and precision. Pros: GPS positioning and altitude hold, high-end ACE flight controller, large 470 size scale, extremely stable and realistic flight. Cons: not suitable for beginners. If you want the best premium RC helicopter of 2026, the FLYWING Bell 412 is unbeatable for serious hobbyists and scale collectors. So that wraps up our list of the top 5 best RC helicopters of 2026. Each of these models offers something unique, whether you're a beginner or an experienced RC pilot. You'll find all product links in the description below. If you found this video useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment with your favorite RC helicopter. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.